Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl Karmelin, an MBA Analytics student at IIM Kashipur, batch of 2024 to 2026. I have my background in BSc Psychology and I scored a 99.89 percentile in the VARC section of CAT 2023. Unlike the other two sections where getting the right answer is like hitting a bullseye, VARC is more like a treasure hunt where you have to interpret each clue that you are given in a manner that leads you to the right answer. Given this section can be quite challenging for aspirants, but with the right strategies in your bag, not only can you master it with ease, but you can also have fun in the process. First, let's take a look at how you can solve the different questions that are usually asked in this section. Reading comprehension passages generally vary in difficulty, and the trick lies in identifying the passages and the questions that are direct and to the point. Doing this will fetch you easy marks that can improve your overall score. However, when it comes to tackling the more abstract questions, master the art of skimming and scanning. Skim through the passage and identify the core ideas that make up the passage as well as each individual paragraph. Jot them down if required and make mental signposts of the crucial words and phrases that can help you identify the answers a lot quicker. This will make your life so much easier since you would have already formed a mental map that will let you get the right answer. When it comes to the verbal ability section, the elimination technique is your best friend. Try to rule out the options that are obviously incorrect, and often you will be left with only one right answer. With regard to the para jumbles, that can be quite confusing. Look for the key words, ideas, and phrases that can help you identify the flow and help you put everything in order. As far as VARC is concerned, there is no one-size-fits-all approach to test taking. Some people prefer to tackle this section in order, while others may like to tackle the VA part first, which is generally quite easier. Try to find out what works for you by taking several mock tests. Experiment with different orders and time yourself each time to find out what makes you most efficient. One trick that I would personally recommend is to maintain a rhythm for the section. If an RC is particularly heavy, try to alternate it with a few VA questions that can help you refresh your pace and improve your focus. Otherwise, you might find yourself reading and rereading the same passage over and over again, wasting precious time in the process. Another thing to keep in mind is accuracy. Remember, accuracy over attempts, especially since some questions can be quite ambiguous. If you are unsure about an answer, or if you cannot decide between two options, it may be better to simply skip it. The best thing about VARC is that a lot of learning actually happens when you're not actively studying. For instance, one tip to keep your mind sharp and to hone your pattern recognition skills is to solve word puzzles in your downtime. The next time you take a break, try solving a crossword puzzle and see how it can build your confidence in this section. The next tip is something that you must be hearing every day, but it cannot be emphasized enough. Read, read, read. Not only should you be reading a lot of content, but ensure that what you're reading is diverse. Newspapers, op-eds, and even novels can help you develop your vocabulary and improve your critical thinking skills. Apart from that, try reading different genres. This can help you identify the tone of different RC passages and can help you familiarize yourself with various styles. What makes VARC so interesting is that people may not always interpret the questions the same way. But with consistent practice, you can make VARC your greatest strength, and it can be a valuable tool in your arsenal, even beyond the exam. So here's wishing you all the very best for CAT 2024.